Welcome to our channel. Today's sketch is a cone. Color it. Take out the black marker. Start by drawing a strawberry shape. The leaves of a strawberry. Strawberry seeds. And then the cream of the cone below. In a circle. Cones with paper coating. And then a long paper coat. Draw the diagonal stripes. Draw some diamonds around it. Little strawberries. Flowers. Okay, now the simple graph is done. Let's do the roughing. That's great. Now let's get some color. Red. Green leaf. Flesh color. Bright yellow. Medium yellow. Pink. Orange. Light purple. Blue. Green. Rose. Olive green. Red. Green. Red strawberry.